Solar carports have become one of the fastest growing trends in the solar industry. They bring cleaner and cheaper electricity while also providing shade and protection for vehicle owners. Recognising how valuable this type of solar mounting system is, Geco Renewable proudly offers the GSCS-AL, a highly durable and easy to install aluminium solar carport. The choice of aluminium as the main system material makes it both light and durable. It facilitates easy transportation and installation and improves corrosion resistance, increasing the product's longevity and reliability. The carport can endure violent storms with wind speeds of up to 40 metres per second or heavy snow load with up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre of load. In addition, the material is firm and waterproof. It is also anodized, making it greatly resistant to abrasion and fading. The structure can stand strong with its chemically planted bar foundation. These durability features allow this mounting system to achieve a notable design life of 25 years. This carport can adapt to various solar project requirements. The module specification and installation tilt can be customized based on the customer's needs. Landscape or portrait module arrangements can also be applied. We offer a 15-year product warranty for this carport. Customers can also expect comprehensive after-sales support from our team. Since its foundation, Geco Renewable has been providing high-quality products and services to more than 20 countries, gaining a great reputation in China and abroad. We have advanced production lines and follow strict in-house quality control protocols. With our experience and capabilities, we aim to lead the global shift to clean energy and sustainable development.